Welcome back to Bass Hunters TV. I'm Carson Shell, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a bird's nest out of a bait caster part 2. As you've seen in the last video, a cow scared me, and I fell in the water while casting, which was pretty funny. You should go check it out. So let's get started. Here we go. So what you want to do first, you just want to pull it until it absolutely stops like this. And you want to find where the main line is, and you want to pick it. There's like a little part that overloops the main line. Just want to kind of pick it, keep picking it. Sometimes it takes a little while. And you want, once you get that, you just pull it really hard till it stops absolutely again. Now I hate when they get like right at the side because they're kind of hard. And try to pull it. Nope. There you go. So you want to pick those pieces over the main line. And that's really easy. There's some parts where it's like, it looks like it's over the main line and it's really bad, but just pull it really hard. If you pull it really hard, sometimes it can actually come out. If it's like not actually overlooping the main line. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next video.